We share a world where every resource is precious, particularly in the food chain. So we must all act sustainably, minimize waste and make the best use of every resource we can. Elemental's innovative, patented technology applies these principles to meat processing. Our process transforms a global waste problem into useful resources by capturing valuable fats, proteins and nutrients directly at source.
To meet the projected needs in 2050, food production has to grow by over 50%. So there's an urgent need to use existing food resources more fully and make agricultural land more productive. Elemental technology helps in both areas. The unique two-step process initially extracts valuable stock, flavourings and edible fats from bones, meat trim and fat byproducts. It does this by using a natural, low-temperature, enzymatic extraction process. In a separate process, all waste from the meat stocks and fats is then converted with other animal byproducts into a granulated organomineral fertiliser called tallow, using a sequence of patented chemical steps. Tallow has a lower carbon footprint than conventional fertilisers. Its composition allows nutrients to be readily absorbed by soils to make them more fertile and productive through a circular closed-loop process.
Global meat production has more than quadrupled since 1961. That means there's a huge opportunity for sustainable waste processing. Elemental is initially focusing on beef production, but the process applies equally to any meat waste. The global market for beef stocks and extracts is predicted to exceed $4.5 billion by 2024. The market for organomineral fertilizers is also growing, driven by precision farming, specialized agriculture, and demand for organic-based produce. Elemental is well positioned to take advantage of these trends, with unique IP-protected processes and a clear scale-up strategy.
Elemental substitutes a massive global waste handling problem for meat producers with a source of valuable products. The key to sustainability is an efficient, closed-loop system where nothing leaves the site as a waste. You can then have complete traceability. With our process, a chef could even trace the stock used in their peppercorn sauce back to the same farm as the sirloin steak on the plate. Our technology is proven and already being licensed for worldwide use. One international meat producer is currently investing over £7 million in our technology at one of their facilities in Ireland as part of a 5-plant licensing deal. And we are also in advanced stage negotiations for a UK plant that Elemental will build, own and operate. Our international licensing model means we can rapidly scale up revenues with limited capital investment. We are now seeking £1.5 million to deliver the next phase of our growth plan, and already have $1 million of that secured. This funding will help us develop the UK plant, including design, planning approval, environmental permits, and the early stage civil works. The funding will also help us scale up our commercial and engineering teams that will support our international growth plans. Building on our recent commercial success, we plan to license our technology to meat producers around the world. We are really excited about the journey we're on and what our technology can do to make meat production more sustainable with a lower carbon footprint. We are now looking for individual investors to join us and become shareholders.